Hello viewers, good morning. Today I will solve a sum equation given that fourth root x plus sixth root x equal to 12. Then find out the value x equal to what. Let's go start. It is an interesting equation for the math Olympiad, and to increase your brain to solve this. Here given that x fourth root x plus 6 root x equal to 12. Okay, here we let x equal to a to the power 12. Okay, then we can write a to the power 12. Here we can write fourth root means is 1 by 4 plus a to the power 12. Sixth root means 1 by 6 equal to 12. Okay, and then we write here a here 12 and 1 by 4 is divide by 4 equal to we get 8 cube plus, and here we get a square equal to 12. Then we transfer 12 in left side. Here we get a cube a square minus 12. Then we get by remainder formula, remainder theorem we can write if t equal to 1, if a equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 minus 12 equal to 0, not accepted. And then we can write for a equal to 2, and 2 cube plus 2 square minus 12 equal to 0 is equal to 8 plus 4 equal to 12. That means 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So a minus 2 will be one factor, will be one factor. Okay, next we can write here a cube plus a square minus 12 equal to 0. So we can write here a cube plus 2 minus a 2 square plus 3 a square minus 12 equal to 0. Then we can write here we get common a square a minus 2 plus here common 3. Then we can write a minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, and a square a minus 2 plus 3 into a square minus 2. We use formula here a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So we get a minus 2 plus 3 into a plus 2 into a minus 2 is equal to 0. Then we get common a minus 3 a minus 2 a square 3 multiply a and 2, then we get 3a plus 6 is equal to 0. Then we can write a minus 2 is equal to 0 and a cube plus 3a plus 6 is equal to 0. Here a equal to 2 and here we can write the quadratic equation a x square b x plus c equal to 0, a equal to 1, here a square, b equal to 3 and c equal to 6. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 3 square into 4 into 1 into 6. 9 minus 24 less than 0, here less than 0. So the roots are complex or imaginary. It is rejected, so rejected it, and we can write by a equal to, we let a equal to 12. So x equal to a to the power 12. So here we can write here a equal to x equal to a to the power 12. Here a equal to 2, x equal to the power 12. So x equal to 4096. It is the solve of the equation. Okay, it is the most interesting, and you get such interesting math solving. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.